We've got that HIKEWIN manual Glock style gel blaster here. I'm going to show you how to set it up and get it ready to go. Pretty quick and easy with this one since there's no electrical component. You're just going to take your gel beads. You're going to want to make sure you soak those long enough. So put them in any sort of container, soak them for 4 to 6 hours, or just overnight is the easiest way to do it. Make sure you use plenty of water and a big enough container. I typically use these type of little containers that are left over from different things, different food you buy. And you can see I've got some gel balls in here already that are already to the correct size. So they need to get to that 7 to 8 millimeters, and that means you got to use enough water in a big enough container. You'd be amazed how much these can grow. So it's always better to use more water, and then you can strain off any excess water in the morning or after 4 to 6 hours. They won't get too big, okay? So it's important to have the right size or they won't function properly. So pay attention to that. And of course it talks about that in that little instruction manual as well. So here's the magazine. To load it, you're just gonna open the little door. The nice thing about the speed loader they give you is, in this case, it really does help. That's a small opening. Sometimes the opening's big enough with some blasters where you don't need something like this, but you can just go ahead and pour them in, right? So it's just working like a funnel. And it's just gonna fill that up, okay? And then, oh, I lost one. So, got it all filled up, ready to go. Then that can just be pushed right back in. And again, it works so that it'll only go in one direction. So if you put the magazine in backwards, it won't let you push it in. So that's all you have to do with that. So pretty straightforward, just important that you soak those gel balls long enough. Now if you want to put the silencer on then, just pushes on. All right, and that's it. If you did want to put the orange tip on, which it's already got an orange tip, but if you want to put another one, this would go in there. However, you'd have to pull it out to put the silencer back on. So that's up to you if you want to use that or not. But it's ready to go now, and all you're going to do is cock it, and then you just would shoot it, and that's it. So pretty straightforward. There's no safety or anything since it has to be pulled back. It's just spring loaded. So that is all you need to do to set it up. Just remember, soak those balls 4 to 6 hours. Use plenty of water in a big enough container, and it's pretty straightforward. So check it out, Hikewintoy, and look for the demo video too.